Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 17th, 2020, and here we are once again giving y'all an update on Chainlink, showing you our expectations of what we want the trap to do, giving y'all a heads up as to where the market is headed right before it actually gets there. Now, this is your first time watching our video. You guys are at a great place. We are here to give you all the forecast prediction as to where the market is headed, all without being confused and showing nothing complicated on our price chart, because it doesn't require that. If anyone is giving you all that complication, you need to go away from them. You need to run away as fast as you can from them and focus your attention on simplicity, because that's where the market money is being made. Now, here we are, Chainlink. Before I do, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're definitely here to assist you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification too. And then we got a social media presence as well on Facebook, Twitter, on the gram, even on our own website. If you guys want to continue to follow us and be a part of our community, to make sure you come and participate. It's just that easy. So let's talk about Chainlink. Last time I did a video on Chainlink was on October the 6th. And you guys can see what the trap has done against our forecast. On October the 6th, we was looking for the market to go lower in price, right? We was expecting the trap to decrease the value of every Chainlink that is in circulation. Has that occurred? It really didn't, which is why we told you on our video on October the 6th that we would TP the market at $8.50. And what occurred on October 7th, and then what occurred on October 8th. So we had two opportunities to cash out in the market for Chainlink at $8.50. So hopefully you was able to capture that, which was about, let's go ahead and do that real quick, see what it was on percentage gains. It's about 6.38% right there. So we had 2 days, 6.38% cashed out into our accounts and taken away from the trap. It doesn't get any simpler than that. All right, so let's take that away. It's over. And let's see what's expected to occur into the market into the future. And the question that I have for you is, are we still in a downtrend? You guys can see our descending line into the market in Chainlink. What has occurred since then? Would you say that we're still in a downtrend in Chainlink? Some people might say yes, others might say no. You know why people would say yes? It's because if I were to switch this line just so slightly this direction, you guys can see that I did it from the high of this particular price bar and then on the high of this one, and the market is still trending lower and it's holding that descending line as support though. But we're still in a downward trajectory. The market is still hinting at weakness. But is that really the case? Or are we simply holding consolidation? Because you also see some other people come in and give you this. See, this is why no one can be 100% correct in their analysis, is because anyone can come in and draw whatever they want on a chart and can sound convincing. So you might have one video that come out say that we're still in a downtrend, and then you have another video that will come out and say we are consolidating, right? And then you'll have another video will come out that would say, you know what, Chainlink is still in an uptrend. So it all depends on what your expectations are into the market for Chainlink. If you're feeling, or if you're in the boat of expecting the market to go higher, then you'll follow this ascending line. If you're in the boat that Chainlink is weak, you'll follow that descending line that I just had drawn on our chart. That's why you don't need to use technical indicators and analysis, because it doesn't add up. There's no 100% way that the market is going to be headed, which is why we just eliminate it all completely. We speak on the language of the markets. That's the best indication, the best market hindrance that allows us to stay ahead of the game. Okay, so let's take a look at the market in Chainlink on the 3-day chart real quick to make sure and see what actually trend we are going through in Chainlink. And already on the 3-day chart, we are hitting restriction, right? The market in Chainlink is hitting restriction at $11. So we know that. 5-day real quick. And again here, the market in Chainlink is still hinting at some restriction at 11. So we now know that $11 in Chainlink is restriction. I really see the market in Chainlink holding consolidational trading. That's what I'm really getting into the market in Chainlink. And I'm noticing that from $9 to $11 is where that market consolidational trading range is at. Okay. We're definitely seeing the market enduring the weakness at $9. That's where the market trap came in and bought in Chainlink to keep the market from actually collapsing and going lower than that. So the market in Chainlink, it is hinting at weakness right now, but it's not all that weak though. Okay. So just literally the market in Chainlink is just expected to really hold some consolidational trading. I'll be paying attention to see if the trap comes in around $10 to hold the market there, because if so, that is just going to be a resting zone before we'll continue to see the market in Chainlink go higher. Okay. Let me take a look at this market on a 3-hour first. Yeah, so I'm not getting a lot into the market. It's just that the near term, the market is getting us some weakness in Chainlink. Okay. So, I mean, we could play this weakness into the market in Chainlink, but I'm trying to emphasize to you already that it's not monumental. And really, I'm just seeing the market in Chainlink really consolidate in between $11 all the way back down to $9 for support. The market has had plenty of opportunity to try to find strength over the last 5 days and hasn't done it. So if anything, we have a little bit more weakness to go through into the market in Chainlink. Let me go ahead and see how much of a difference that would be. So $11 is restriction. Market support around $10, which would be like another 5% market movement to the downside. That's not even a lot, when you look at this particular chart, but that can literally be where the market holds support in Chainlink. Okay, so we're just going to play a little weakness into the market. It's not all that weak long term. I'm still seeing some hints that the market in Chainlink is holding the strength. It's withholding the weakness from actually pushing the value of Chainlink down substantially. So really, I'm just expecting this small movement initially in Chainlink. $10 will be our TP area. It might go a little lower than that, but as I told you, from what we're getting from the trap, the market in Chainlink doesn't look all that weak right now. So this is our expectations. This is your turn. We definitely would like to get your input as to what you're expecting the trap to do over the next week. Where will the market be at in the next 7 days? Give us a heads up. We want your comment and your thoughts without giving us any confusion. Okay, just give us your expectations, higher, lower, sideways, and then tell us what would you TP the market at. Let's start the conversation. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will talk again on our next video.